this is day 18 and today we're making scones. Well, I'm not making scones. He's making scones with clotted cream and jam. Hope you enjoy the video.
Let's do this.
350 self-raising flour. Let's see, stop now. 350, we're close enough. Baking powder. 5 grams of butter.
That's
Cut
close.
into cubes. Get in there! Bit of salt, sugar. Your fingers until the mix looks like fine crumbs. Until fine like crumbs. Look at that. Yes. 175 millilitres of milk, which is grams, right?
No, mils.
Oh, right, 1 second.
Change it to mils.
You got, oh yeah, here we go. 175 millilitres. You're extra, yeah? There you go.
1 teaspoon.
Oh, right, put it in the here. Put it here, in the microwave for 30 seconds. In the milk.
We'll get rid of that.
Lovely, guys. Squeeze the lemon.
Yeah, nice and then squeeze it out all.
Lovely. Nice and zesty. Zesty. Flour on the work surface. Tip this one out like that. Put the baking tray in the oven. Make a well in the dry mix. Go it away?
Yeah.
Add the milk and stuff and combine with a knife.
I don't think you're supposed to do this straight onto my work surface, you know. It's onto my work surface.
Make a big mess, but it's all good.
Looks like a volcano. Oh. I hope you're going to clean that up. I'm not cleaning that up, Jace.
Make a big old mess, but it's all good.
Is this what you're supposed to do?
Don't know. Hands. And fold just a couple of times. Pat it down, but very gentle. These are quite big though.
Then we just have one. Alright. Remember the ones you made for my birthday? They were the best ones, weren't they?
No.
No?
No, the ones before.
Oh, go for it, a bit more than that.
It's fucking hard, mate.
Really? Put it in the oven.